What'd you do? What?
Did you see?
What? Oh, hey, Gus. That was Gus. I think he bit Gus.
Did you bite him? Did you bite him? Did you get bitten? Who got bitten?
I think it was Gus.
It was Gus?
Maybe. He was fighting over the stick.
Oh, yeah. He would have got bitten.
Come here, Gus. Come get the stick. Come on, buddy.
Oh, I want to do it. Watch. He's like an elephant.
Sit.
Dolphin. Here, give it.
He is like a dolphin.
Let's go. Come on. Drop that stick. No, you already have a stick in your mouth.
He has to drop that one first. Axel wants it. He wants that one.
Jason. Okay, you can take that one.
He wants it.
Ready?
He is so like a dolphin doing that.
What? Oh! I'm getting mad.
Oh yeah, Gus plays a mean game. Keep away if he really wants it. He really does play.
That's what Jazzy does.
Oh, he'll play a mean game. He'll run like forever.
It snapped.
It broke in half.
And then he trots off like. You think he'll get up in the hammock? Because I know Jazzy did one time. Yes.
He jumped over the garden.
Ah! Okay. I scared myself. You see, do actually do the yoga pose to it.
Oh, it's cold breezy. Ah. Come here, Gus. Come here. Come here. Hi, Jasmine. Oop, sunlight. What?
That weird noise I made. It sounds like a pig, but not a pig. It sounds like a pig, but not a pig. Where's the basketball at?
They pop those things. Actually, there. He'll grab that. Oh, this would be funny. He will.
Okay.
See, Axel. Yeah,
Hey!
Yeah, he loses it. He loses it.
You have a stick.
Yeah, Axel loves balls better.
Shoe.
I like to play with those things and tear them up.
Okay.
Those. Are you wearing slippers? I just wrote you wearing slippers. Throw the ball. Throw
No,
it.
I need this basketball.
Why? Ooh, what was that?
Axel, I'm not. Stop.
He's mean.
No.
Go.
No.
He's mean. Trust me. You won't lift it up?
Go. Axel. You can't bite me. Okay?
Axel, come on.
You won't bite me.
Axel. I'll find the other one. There's gotta be one around here nowhere. They popped them both.
Pick it now, can you? Oh, it's school time.
He can't have that.